Harcourt Chamber of Commerce have found me worthy to steer the affairs of the chamber. To God be the glory. The Harcourt Chamber of Commerce is the second largest chamber in this country. As a chamber, our responsibilities are clearly defined. Sustain an ecosystem that grows trade partnership and collaboration. Ensure government provides the necessary infrastructure that allows ease of doing business. Create access to funding opportunities for businesses. Ensure that members align with global best practices. And of course, make sure that business flows in our states.
Distinguished Senator John Mbata, the first female president of the Port Harcourt Chambers of Commerce, the national officers that are here, not forgetting the Rwandan High Commissioner, His Excellency, that is also here in our midst, other distinguished guests. One of my backbones here, the royal fathers, who always give me cola and pour libation, that is giving me strength to carry on. I recognize every one of you. I won't forget to mention the immediate past president, my Oga, Eze Michael Lichi. With your feather, I hope that one is, the one I like is Virgil feather. They said that one is very strong, it's Odoishi. Okay, this one is Ego. All right. Thank you. I'm here to celebrate with you, to show my solidarity to the progress that we're making in our dear states. It has not been easy, more especially rebutting businesses in River State. But it gives me joy that there is light at the end of the tunnel, and we can feel it, and we can say it now. I came here, even in my very, very tight schedule. I'm leaving here to Ebubu now to attend the function. But I felt we're doing a lot to attract businesses, to encourage investors. So the little I can do is to show my presence here to assure investors that we are willing and we are ready to work with everyone to better River State. I want to say that past leadership have done their bit. The new leadership will also work on what the previous administration has built on. What we need here in this state is the enabling environment, the encouragement, and the support. And the state government that I represent, from what have been mentioned there, we're doing our best. The only way we can solve the problem of criminality, reduce crime, it is only when we create jobs. Jobs will create the opportunity to engage our youth. Job will create the opportunity to create wealth. Development can only come in that means. So I want to join every one of you. In fact, when the president was saying we're expecting new members, count me as one of your new members. I think I should start planning to, it's just as in government, you only have to do farm. So I hope farm is also part of the condition that you can join. So you need to send your form so I can feel to be a member of Fatima. Let me on this note thank every one of you that have come here to support them. Assure you that even while we're leaving, our spirits are with you. We want to urge you to enjoy your evening peacefully. Take the much you can and leave the rest. But in all, what is most important now is we must all join hands together to support this administration, this new management of FASEMA to succeed. That is the most important thing. It has to succeed because it's the first time a woman is being the head. Men have their own shock absorber. So it's important for you to give her all the necessary support. On our own part, we'll do our best to make sure that you also succeed. Thank you, and may God bless you as you enjoy your evening.